Hi, Dennis from Xpand here with a new how-to video about Xpand Portal. In this demo, I'll show you how to add a YouTube video to a portal page. At present, YouTube videos can be added to two types of pages, a grid page or the dashboard. In both cases, the video element should be embedded into a layout block. In this example, we'll be adding a video to the dashboard. There are two major steps that must be done. First, you need to create or use the existing layout block under the home page node that will host the video. In this case, the layout block is already created. Since this layout block will serve as just a container, most its settings are not mandatory. However, on the Layout Settings tab, we specify the view type, tab in this case, which means that the elements of this layout block will be shown on tabs, because this particular block will host another element in addition to the video. The next step is creating a page with the video block type within this layout block. After you create it, you need to fill in its settings, such as internal page name, the title that will be shown as the tab caption, an icon that will be shown next to the title, and optionally other settings. On the Content tab, you need to specify the URL of the YouTube video that you want to be embedded into the page. Additionally, you specify the minimum height of the video block. That's it. Save and publish the changes and you're good to go. Let's open the portal homepage and see how it looks like. Here is the added video that can be played directly from the portal page. In this example, it was added in combination with a different element, but you can create a layout block exclusively for a video if necessary. This concludes this short tutorial in which I showed you how to add a YouTube video to a dashboard or grid page in a few easy steps. As always, on our channel you can find our other videos about Xpand Portal to learn more about it. You can also visit our Help Center to read in detail about Portal features, how to configure, customize and use Xpand Portal. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.